Let's look at question 8. Question 8 says, consider the following statement. Statement P, the first statement, the weather is warm. The second statement, the sun is shining. Now it says, which of those following correctly represent the statement, the sun is shining if and only if the weather is warm. So look at this statement, this first option, let's examine it. This is negation, not Q. That means the sun is not shining. That's the meaning of this. This is the negation sign. So this statement means the weather is warm and if and only if the sun is not shining. So that's not what is here. So we discard it. Option B means this is negation of P. Negation of this statement, the weather is warm. It means the weather is not warm. This statement means the weather is not warm if and only if the sun is not shining, which is not what is here. Option C, this means not Q, that's the sun is not shining if and only if the weather is not warm. That is not what is here. Let's look at the last one. Q, if and only if. This means if and only if. So this means the sun is shining if and only if the weather is warm. So this is option D.